Everyone, my name is Ronak Rao, and today I'm excited to share with you my project Smart College Recommender, which is basically a personalized guide designed to help students make informed, data driven college decisions. This tool goes beyond just rankings and looks at long term outcomes like debt, earnings, and quality of life. I think that for one of the most important decisions in a person's life, it's important to have a tool that's personalized, holistic, and makes the right choice for you. Let's start with why this matters. Student debt is a burden for over 43 million Americans. And even more concerning, about 34% of students regret their college choice. And this is often due to poor alignment with financial, academic, or personal goals. Most current tools only focus on things like ranking or costs, which are arbitrary and not personalized. They lack real world outcomes and don't weigh important trade offs like lifestyle versus return on investment. This is where my app comes into play. So let me just talk a bit about what it does. So Smart College Recommender basically predicts student debt using institutional data and personalized income tier outputs. It estimates ROI by combining debt predictions with major specific earnings 5 years post graduation. It evaluates the quality of life by analyzing campus experience, student satisfaction, and safety. And most importantly, it allows users to choose what they care about, using a slider to prioritize between return on investment and quality of life. So it's not just a financial metric or not just a social metric, it's a holistic metric that combines both and gives you the choice that's best for you. It recommends the best fit college for the student from their list and gives a full explanation to help them feel confident and safe in the decision that Smart College Recommender makes. Now I'm just going to go over my tech stack. So for my project, I used a full stack architecture. I use React.js and Vite for the front end, and I used Fast API for the backend API. For machine learning, I trained an XGBoost regression model because this is good on tabular data, and it predicted student debt with a strong performance. It had an R square of 0.77 and an RMSE of around $1,900. So features like income tier, graduation rates, and in-state status were used to boost accuracy. I also built a fuzzy matching engine to handle messy college and major names. The model integrates national education data, and the whole system is structured for deployment through GitHub. Now I just have a small scatter plot of my debt model predictions. As you can see, my R-square score is pretty high, so a lot of the variance is predicted accurately by the model, as you can see here. Now I'm just going to go into a live demo to show how this actually works. So if you come into my app here, you can see it's an easy front end. It's easy to navigate. It asks you for asks every user for a little bit of information. So for example, if I input, let's say UC Irvine, Stanford, Harvard as my colleges that I'm choosing between, and let's say my income range is above 75,000 and my major is computer science, and then my state of residence is California. It also asks me if I'll take out Parent Plus loans because this also impacts the debt that you'll accumulate in the future. So if I just say yes, and then I create a preference slider, this is what I'm talking about, which makes it more holistic because it's a weighted average of both the quality of life and the ROI. So let's say I'm more leaning towards ROI rather than quality of life. I'll just move the slider upwards a bit, and then all I do is click get my recommendation. Takes a few seconds. It's just in the back end, the model, the machine learning model is called. The back end predicts the debt, estimates the ROI, and creates a prediction and gives a good paragraph about why that recommendation was chosen. So here you can see the paragraph that it offers. It has a relevant explanation, and it makes every student feel confident and safe in the decision that they make, which is why this tool is so useful in my opinion. Thank you for allowing me to share with you this tool, and I hope you found my project as exciting as I found it.